Hello, everyone. We are at the ARC Industry Forum, and today we are in conversation with Will George. Will is sales manager for the all asset solution line at Lloyd's Register. Welcome, Will.
Good afternoon. Thank you for having me here.
Sure. So to start off, as you have been attending the forum, one key theme over here is digital transformation. A lot of end users are already on their digital transformation journey. So how is your company helping your customer who are embracing the digital transformation? And any particular success stories that you would like to highlight today from the past year or so?
Sure. No, great question. So yes, we are seeing a lot of our customers embracing the need to go on that journey for true digital transformation. I personally believe digital transformation it's been talked about for the last 10 more years or so since I've been in the industry. But what we're really doing is we're understanding what are the key triggers for organizations to put them on a true path of digital transformation. So right down through to their sustainability and how their organization is looking at really embracing technology and people to facilitate that. One of the best examples of where and how we've done that is I don't know if I can mention any customers' names, but we've got some customers in the Middle East who, they want to be the first, but also they like to understand that other organizations are doing as well. So you need those reference points. And there are a couple of large petrochemical companies in the Middle East that we've worked with and facilitated that.
No, absolutely, you're right. Hearing from other end users and how companies have helped them succeed, that always bring more confidence to end users. So my next question is around end user challenges. Whenever we talk to end users, one of the challenge that they always mention is unplanned downtime. So any strategies or any solutions that you would like to highlight that your company is helping them tackle this challenge of unplanned downtime?
Sure. So one of our leading technologies is all assets. And within all assets, we give our customers the ability to mitigate the risk by setting a planned maintenance schedule through an understanding of their key and critical applications. Once you've got that, you can start that journey of understanding how to avoid that downtime because you've planned and you have the mitigation plans to follow throughout that period of time, or when you have your next turnaround.
Oh, that's a very good strategy. My next question is around, disruptive technologies. At the forum this year, again, in previous years, we have heard about a lot of disruptive technologies. Can you highlight some of the technologies that you think will help end users a lot in the, near future? And also, how is your company changing your strategy around, these disruptive technologies?
Open standard applications are what's really required here in order to integrate with people's tools. Once you have those open standards, then it creates, more importantly, the integration, then it will create the ability to run those much better.
And do you want to share about the strategies of your company around these disruptive technologies?
Sure. So it's nothing new. It's a cloud-first approach, which facilitates that level of integration. And once we believe that we've got that cloud ability to manage it via the cloud, you're able to spin on a sixpence and create the environments that are able to integrate with third-party technologies.
That makes sense. So I would like to come back to end user challenges again, because another challenge that we hear a lot from end users is around project justification. So any advice you would like to give or any solutions you would like to highlight that would help them with return on asset, return on investment, these kind of KPIs that would help them with their justification efforts?
You're talking about justifications for going ahead with the project?
Yes.
Yeah, so I'm just trying to think of an example. Quite often the justifications are there when a customer comes to us. They've already done their research. They know why they need to do something. What we will do is take them on that journey to help them do the total cost of return, understand how it integrates with our own technology to drive more efficiency and cost reductions. So those are two things that we would mainly look at in order to drive that.
So, Will, would you like to add anything, share anything that your company is doing around, all the technologies?
So not necessarily specifically around the technology, but what I will say is one of the biggest things that Lloyd's registered digital products is seeing is a wider breadth of customers. So we're not just focused on our classic petrochemical, oil and gas customers. We're moving into other market segments. So we're in the process of closing a pretty big deal with a large brewing company at the moment. And that's going to be very significant for our organization and the direction we go in. So it's about the breadth of what all assets can do across many different industry sectors.
Very interesting. So, Will, with that, I have asked all my questions. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you again. Thank you.
So we were talking with Will George at the ARC Industry Forum. Thank you for watching.